Welcome to your company-branded video conferencing and telepresence facility scheduling system. To start, your system has some great tools to make booking management simple and easy, such as the calendar, search bookings, and My Room tools. The calendar tool shows you what bookings you have made. You have multiple views, such as planner view, which is a traditional calendar view of the month, and most popular are list view, which gives you a list of your bookings. The search booking tools allow you to quickly find your bookings by booking number, start and or end date, so all bookings in a period of time, or even status such as confirmed, provisional, or canceled. Lastly is the My Room tool, which allows you to add or edit any of your own video conferencing or telepresence facility details in your network. This includes connection details, Google Maps, and pictures of your rooms as an example. How to do this is covered in our flash training demonstration called Adding and Editing Your Locations. To start, simply click the Book Multiple Facilities tab, and once you have done that, select how many total locations will be connected in your video conference, then click Next. To make our system as easy as possible, we have broken the booking process up into two main steps. 1. Select the facilities you want in your conference, no matter if they are your private locations or our public ones. 2. Choose how they will be connected. So, because we selected two locations, we have two boxes for each location. The only decision we have to make is, do we want to book a public or private facility as our first location? In this example, we will select Add a Private Facility. Once you have selected this, a Private Locations box will appear. This will give you the option to add an ad hoc private facility. In other words, simply another facility that is not registered on your private network or our public one. However, because this is your system, your facilities can easily be found in the My Room address book. And as you can see, after selecting this option, a drop list of your facilities will appear for you to choose. When you change your selection, the system will display a venue summary with links to the location's full details and a Google map. Once you have selected your private room, click the Add a Private Room button. As this is the first location, you will need to select the date, local start time, and the duration. Then click Next. The system will then tell you to enter your details in the below section. This section starts with a summary of the room you just booked so far. If the room selected has both IP and ISDN connections, you can choose which you prefer and the speed, followed by the number of attendees and ideally one attendee's details. If you don't know, we have provided a button that bypasses this section. We've also provided an extra notes section for any special request you want to let the venue know about. Once done, select Update. Location 1 is now selected. As you can see, you now have the ability to select your second location. You also have the ability to start again, add another location, or removing one of the location selections you have added. This time we will add a public facility to our conference. The public facility booking system will then appear below the summary box, which includes all of our great search features such as the list search, post and zip code search, and Google Maps search. We will just use the list search and use the flash map in this example. We start by selecting country, then state, and we are then presented with a list of venues for us to choose. You will notice a Sync with Location 1 pre-selected under the Location 2 box. This will ensure you don't need to work out the time zone conversions for any other locations, as the system will work it all out based on the first location you choose. Locations have a View Map and View Venue Pricing and Details button. If you select the View Map, you will see a Google map with a marker of the location you selected. You will also see markers of any facilities close by that you may want to look at. The View Venue Pricing and Details button will open page with just that: venue pricing, technical details, capacity, Google map, location picture, catering, and auxiliary equipment options. Alternatively, you can just click the Book Now button. Because you had the Sync button selected, you will not have to select date and time or duration as the system works it out for you. And like you did with your private location, you can select connection type and attendee details. You can also choose catering or extra equipment should the venue offer it. Then click Update. Once done, you will see your summary screen now with the 2 locations you chose in there. If you click the Click to See Full Details button, the location will enlarge to show you all the details you chose, including the price of the public room selected. If you are happy with your location selections, click the Proceed to Booking button. The second and last step is how you want the locations connected. You'll see a breakdown of the location and connection cost, and the default instructions are set to you wanting us to connect all your locations. You have the choice to change the connection instructions to all the options you would typically expect, such as dial, receive, or you arrange the connections. Once done, click the Update My Booking button. As expected, the final section is a conference summary for you to review, and then your customer details. When happy, click the Complete Reservation button and you're done.